Hello, everybody. My name is Cody Byrns, and I am so excited to be at this year's all-new 2022 FALA Conference in Orlando, Florida. I am so blessed and honored to have this opportunity to share some of the tools and resources that I have developed over the years when it comes to utilizing humor and creativity in the workplace to simply break down barriers, reduce stress, and make the workplace fun. We are truly going to have some fun at this conference. Come prepared, get ready, because this year is a year that you do not want to miss. If you have not registered, please do so today. See you there.